Hey everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I would love to have you. So this Dollar Tree haul is going to be kind of small, but I did find some pretty amazing things. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with my pool noodles that I found. Yes, pool noodles. I was looking for the white ones, but all I could find was green. All the Dollar Trees around me are completely sold out of the pool noodles. I just happened to find one Dollar Tree that had some green ones left, so I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them. I would rather have had the white so that I don't have to paint them, but beggars can't be choosers, so the green was what they had, so I'm going to have to end up painting these white, but that's okay. So anyway, these are for a future DIY coming up pretty soon. Now, Dollar Tree has some really cute wrapping paper, and I found 3 rolls of wrapping paper that is so stinking cute. I couldn't pass it up, so I went ahead and grabbed them. If you guys love the Grinch, then make sure you check your Dollar Trees because this wrapping paper is so cute. Look at the Grinch. He's even got his little arms stealing the ornaments. So cute. I just love it. So I did go ahead and grab 1 roll of that. And then if you are a Nightmare Before Christmas lover, then you're going to love this wrapping paper. Look at it. We've got Jack Skellington on there. Oh my gosh. So cute. What does it say? Cheers and scares. So anyway, I think that is so cute. And also, if you're a Halloween lover, but you still have to, get in the Christmas spirit. I love this wrapping paper. So I did grab 1 roll of that. And then this last one. Now, I have to be honest. I've only seen this movie, I think, 1 time. And I really wasn't all that into it. So I feel like I need to go back and watch it again. Just to I don't know, see if I'm going to like it now. Because when I watched it, it was like way back when it first came out. So it's been a few years now. But it is Elf wrapping paper. But I love Will Ferrell. I think he is hilarious. So I just love this. What does it say on here? Thanks, Mr. Norwal. What does this say? Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad. Oh. So anyway, I thought this was really cute, so I did go ahead and just grab 1 roll of this. So if you're an Elf movie lover, then make sure you check the Dollar Tree. That is so cute. So, oh, and I also was going to tell you guys how much is on here. There's 20 square feet, and it's like that on all of them. So, I mean, that's, that's quite a bit, but it's not a whole lot. You could probably get a couple presents wrapped out of that. Speaking of wrapping, I went ahead and grabbed a bag of the gift bows. Now, they have these in different colors and different kinds of ribbon for the bows. Like these are, the ribbon is that real shiny kind of ribbon. So I went ahead and grabbed 1 bag of these. And you do get 22 in here, which isn't too bad for $1. Also, on the topic of wrapping, they had these gift boxes, and these are so pretty, so I had to get them. But look at that. Look how pretty they are. So you get 3 in here, and they are 14.25 inches by 9.43 inches. So I would say these would be good for a shirt, a shirt box or something. But you do get 3 in here. And I'm assuming that the pattern is the snowflakes on all 3 boxes because I know the front side here has the silver snowflakes on it, and then the back side also has the silver snowflakes. So I'm assuming the one in the middle is the same. So anyway, I thought that was really pretty, so I grabbed that one. And then this one is white with the silver ornaments and the snowflakes in the middle. I think that is really, really pretty. So that's the front box, and then the back box is the same pattern. So I'm pretty sure the middle box is the same pattern. So anyway, I thought that was really pretty, so I went ahead and grabbed one of those. Okay, so I'm going to be doing a DIY. Hopefully I can get this off here without it falling to the floor. Oh, crapola. It went anyway, guys. Sorry. I dropped it. Sorry. So anyway, I needed 3 of the large ornaments, and I wanted red, and I wanted the shiny ones. Now, Dollar Tree carries these larger ornaments all the time, every year, and they carry them in different colors and different designs, different finishes, things like that. But I was really looking for the shiny red ones, so I did grab 3 of those. I'll put these down here. Hopefully they don't go rolling across the floor, but no promises. Oh, it didn't go rolling. Okay, so I know Dollar Tree carries this sort of thing all the time, like all year long, and I've never purchased it before because I never really had a use for it. But when I seen this, I seen the color, and the color is what got me. And then when I picked it up, I was like, oh my goodness, this is really sturdy. I was surprised. I did not expect that to be, this to be that sturdy. So it is this charger plate, and would you look at that color? Look how pretty that is. I'm going to try to do this without blinding you too much with my ring light, but that red color is just gorgeous. To me, it's not like this really bright red. It's like a candy apple red, I feel like. I don't know. It's just so pretty. So I did go ahead and grab one of these, and the back is black, but you guys, have they always been this thick, like this thick of plastic? I don't know. I've never, like I said, I've never bought one of these before. But my goodness, I was impressed. So anyway, I grabbed one of these because I think I'm going to be doing making some sort of centerpiece or something using this. But anyway, I thought this was so pretty, so I had to get it. Okay, so I was down the floral section and I seen these vases. Now, these aren't really Christmas, but to me, they're more Valentine's Day. But I've never seen these before. So it's these little glass vases that you can get at the Dollar Tree. Duh, Jamie. But on the bottom, they have these hearts. So the bottom of it is lined in these hearts. So anyway, I thought this was really pretty. I've never seen these at my Dollar Tree. I picked this up because I may be doing some sort of future DIY with them. I'm not real sure. But anyway, I thought they were different. So I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of those. I'm going to go ahead and set them back here on my table. I think these are new this year, at least this print. Now, they carry these, I think, pretty much all year. If you look in the party section, they have them in different colors. But for Christmas, they have these little miniature galvanized buckets. Now, these are, like I said, they're small. They're probably about, I don't know, 4 inches tall, I'd say. But they did have some with different words across it, but I really liked this one. It says peace and joy. And I liked this one because if you look at the word peace and joy, it's got this red and black sort of plaid. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. And then the trees across the top here are like this dark green plaid. So anyway, I thought that was really pretty. So I did go ahead and just grab one of these. And then I am going to be doing another DIY here soon, and I needed a couple of these. These are the floral foam round disc. You get 2 in here. So these are 4.8 inches by 3/4 of an inch. So that's a pretty good deal. You get 2 in here for $1. Pretty good. Pretty good deal, and I'm going to be using these in a DIY coming up soon. So I need that. Okay, so Dollar Tree carries this garland, and they have it every year. This is 15 feet. So you get 15 feet of garland, and I have to be honest, Dollar Tree's garland is really kind of thin. So if you're going to be using this to like decorate with, I would recommend getting at least 2 of them to wrap together, just to make it more full. So that is why I grabbed these 2. I'm going to be making my own garland because I was going to buy some nice garland from Walmart, and when I was looking, it just really wasn't what I was wanting. So then I went to Hobby Lobby, and because right now everything is 50% off, all the Christmas is 50% off. And their garland is still super duper expensive. At least in my opinion, it's super duper expensive. Like, I was looking at one, I really liked it. I looked at the price, it was $79.99, and then 50% off, you know, would have been $40. I still couldn't do it. I still could not bring myself to buy it. So I just figured I'll just make my own. So I went ahead and grabbed 2 of the Dollar Tree garland, and also while I was there, I did buy some picks so that I can kind of make my garland with that. So anyway, there's that. A couple of hauls back, it's been, I don't know how many it's been. More than 2 hauls ago, I hauled some of the Christmas ribbon and from the Dollar Tree, and they had this gnome ribbon, and at the time all I could find was 2 rolls. Well, I happened to find 2 more rolls, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 more, and I think this ribbon is so cute. It's got the little gnomes on there, and this is the 2.5-inch wide ribbon that's wired. Now, I'm not sure if they're going to be bringing this back next year, so that's why I went ahead and picked up 2 more rolls, just in case they don't bring it back next year. I didn't want to run out, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of those. And you guys, whenever you see these little goblets, oh my gosh, these are so stinking pretty. I wish they were glass, but oh my goodness, look at these. Are these not the prettiest goblets you've ever seen? These are so pretty. So, they look like glass, but it's the deer, and he's holding the cup up with his antlers, which I think is so pretty. It's resting there on his back. And then it looks like he's standing on snow or something. But I just thought these were just gorgeous. Now, I'm not going to use these to drink out of. I'm probably going to use these as decor. But I thought they were so pretty, so I did go ahead and grab 2 of those. Okay, so these were so pretty. Look at these. So these are the oven mitt and the pot holders. And they are the white background with this silver glittery snowflakes all over them. These are so pretty. And then on the back is like this dark gray, sort of silvery color. It's so pretty. So I grabbed 1 of the oven mitts, and then I grabbed 1 of the pot holders, and you do get 2 in a pack. So it's got the same pattern, and then the same back. These are so pretty. So I grabbed 1 of those. And then to match those, they had the dish towels. These are so pretty. Now, as we probably all know by now, the microfiber dish towels from the Dollar Tree are not the best at drying your hands off or drying your dishes or whatever with, because they're not very absorbent. But these make really, really good decor pieces. So that's what I use them for. I just hang them up for decor. Now, if somebody wanted to use them to dry their hands off with or whatever, that's fine. But they do make really nice decor pieces. So I did grab 4 of those. And then the last thing, the ones that I'm so excited about showing you guys. Get ready. Oh, you probably already heard it. Look. They have plates. They have the dishes and stuff to match. These are so pretty. Oh my goodness. So I bought 4 plates. After I got them home, I got to thinking I probably should have bought 6. I probably should have picked up 2 more. But I didn't. I only got 4. And I know when I go back, they're not going to have any. But anyway, I just think these are so stinking pretty. They're white with the silver snowflakes. They're just gorgeous. So they did have the bowls that matched. They had the coffee mugs that matched. They had drinking glasses that matched. They had this other glass that was a shorter glass that matched. But the only thing that I could not find was the like the dessert plate or the, I don't know, teacup saucer, whatever they are, the smaller plates. I couldn't find those. So I don't know if they have those or not. But anyway, all I wanted was the plates. I did not get the bowls or the glasses or the coffee mugs or anything, just the plates. But anyway, I thought these were just beautiful. So I had to grab those. So anyway, I think that is the end of my haul, guys. Yep. That is the end of my haul, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope that you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!